You can add music to your site using audio blocks or embed blocks. Audio can be added to any block content area, including layout pages, blog posts, footers, events, product additional information, and sidebars. Use the audio block to add a single track to your site. You can upload an MP3 or M4A file directly from your computer. Or add a URL from a cloud storage platform. Use the embed block to add audio from third-party services like Spotify or Stitcher. Copy code from the service, then add it to your embed block. If the embed block doesn't work, try using a code block. A SoundCloud block embeds an audio track hosted on SoundCloud. You can customize the block's display by using SoundCloud's embedded settings. A video block is a great way to share a music video or music uploaded as a video file. You can add videos hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.